Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add texture to your image in Canva. So stop making flat, boring design. Here I want to show you the secret to adding depth and feel to your images using textures in Canva. So what you need to do, in here you can just click on the photo or image that you add in Canva and go to the edit options at the top. So you can just scroll down and you'll find the apps option and you'll see texture. You can just click on that app. So by using this, you can add texture to your images easily. You can just click on open to start using the app. Now you can see there are lots of texture options that you can add to your photo. There are paper, category, paint, VHS, grid, fill grain, light, fabric, and also grunge. In here, I think I'm going to just add let's try the VHS. So you can just choose which one that you want. Let's add the glitch vivid. Click on the texture that you want. And in here, you can adjust the scale, rotation, and opacity. You can also choose the blend mode, whether it's overlay, multiply, or screen, or other. I think there are lots of options in here. Let's just try the overlay, and you can adjust the opacity. Now let's try another texture. Let's try the film grain. Here I'm going to use these abstract lights. So this is how it will look like. Let's try the other blend mode. Okay, this is the overlay, and I'm going to lower the opacity. And if you like it, you can just click on save to apply the texture to your photo. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.